A special evening of celebration and recognition. Let us open our hearts and this occasion with a moment of prayer, Devadashagam by SNCS ladies.
ദൈവമേ കാത്തുകൊള്ളുക കൈവിടാതിങ്ങു ഞങ്ങളെ നാവികൻ നീ ഭവാബ്ദിക്ക് ഒരാവിവൻ തോണി നിൻ പദം ഒന്നൊന്നായി എണ്ണി എണ്ണി തൊട്ടെണ്ണും പൊരുളൊടുങ്ങിയാൽ നിന്നിടും ദൃക്ക് പോലുള്ളം നിന്നില സ്പന്ദമാകണം അന്നവസ്ത്രാദി മുട്ടാതെ തന്നു രക്ഷിച്ചു ഞങ്ങളെ ധന്യരാക്കുന്ന നീയൊന്നു തന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾക്കു തമ്പുരാൻ ആഴിയും തിരയും കാറ്റും ആഴവും പോലെ ഞങ്ങളും മായയും നിൻ മഹിമയും നീയുമെന്നുള്ളിലാകണം നീയല്ലോ സൃഷ്ടിയും സ്രഷ്ടാവായതും സൃഷ്ടിജാലവും നീയല്ലോ ദൈവമേ സൃഷ്ടിക്കുള്ള സാമഗ്രിയായതും നീയല്ലോ മായയും മായാവിയും മായാവിനോദനും നീയല്ലോ മായയെ നീക്കി സായുജ്യം നൽകുമാര്യനും നീ സത്യം ജ്ഞാനമാനന്ദം നീ തന്നെ വർത്തമാനവും ഭൂതവും ഭാവിയും വേറൽ ഓതും മൊഴിയുമോർക്കിൽ നീ അകവും പുറവും തിങ്ങും മഹിമാവാർന്ന നിൻ പദം പുകഴ്ത്തുന്നു ഞങ്ങളങ്ങ് ഭഗവാനെ ജയിക്കുക ജയിക്കുക മഹാദേവ ദീനാവന പരായണ ജയിക്കുക ചിദാനന്ദ ദയാസിന്ധോ ജയിക്കുക ആഴമേറും നിൻ മഹസ്സാം ആഴിയിൽ ഞങ്ങളാകവേ ആഴണം വാഴണം നിത്യം വാഴണം വാഴണം സുഖം.
Respected guests, my humble salutations to all. I extend a heartfelt welcome to everyone gathered here for this prestigious function organized by SNCS to honor and congratulate the students who have achieved outstanding results in their 10th and 12th board examinations. Education plays a vital role in an individual's life, illuminating the path of knowledge and wisdom. Through learning, one can recognize their potential and realize their dreams. We are gathered here today to appreciate and encourage the dedication and academic excellence shown by the students of SNCS. A warm welcome to the ceremony dedicated to celebrating the proud achievements of our dear students who have excelled in the year CBSE 12th and 10th board examinations. We are privileged to have with us today our chief guest, Mrs. Vandana Satish, Principal of New Horizons School. To escort the distinguished guest to the stage, I kindly invite our chairman, Mr. D. Krishna Kumar, General Secretary, Mr. Srikanth MS, Education Forum Convener, Mrs. Ramya Srikanth, Joint Convener, Mrs. Anupama Prashant, and Membership Secretary, Mr. Shibu Raghavan. Let us now begin with the welcome speech. I invite Mrs. Anupama Prashant, Joint Convener of Education Forum, to deliver the welcome speech.
Respected Chairman, Mr. Krishna Kumar D., General Secretary, Mr. Srikanth MS, today's Chief Guest, Ms. Vandana Satish, Education Forum Convener, Ms. Ramya Srikanth, Membership Secretary, Mr. Shibu Raghavan, Executive Committee members, SNCS families, and my dear children, a very good evening to you all. Today, we all gathered here to celebrate the academic success of our Class 10 and Class 12 graduates. To all our achievers, we are really proud of you. We wish you a continuous success in everything that lies ahead. I just want to remind you that the education is not just exam result, but it prepares you to face the world with confidence. The results of Class 10 and 12 are just a stepping stones. A vast, beautiful world is around you. Walk into the world with confidence. Shine with your own light. Let your dreams come true, and we wish you all success. With these prayers in my mind, I just return to my duties. Today, we are deeply honored and privileged to welcome a truly inspirational person, our chief guest, Ms. Vandana Satish, Principal of New Horizons School. A passionate educator, Ms. Satish is known not only for her leadership in schools, but also for her dedication to uplifting fellow educators and creating learning environments that speak curiosity and build confidence. Her list of accomplishments speaks volume. She was the recipient of the Best Teacher Award by the Indian Embassy in 2000, a committed Toastmaster since 2011, and has served as Area 4 Director with the rare distinction of being a Triple Crown winner. More than that, I'm so much attracted on the philosophy she pursued. Explore new horizon, escalate great heights, and excel exponentially. This perfectly aligns the aspirations of our achievers. We are truly privileged to have Ms. Satish among us. On behalf of SNCS Education Forum, we extend our warm welcome to this occasion. I also take this opportunity to warmly welcome the pillars of SNCS, our chairman, Mr. Krishna Kumar D., General Secretary, Mr. Srikanth MS, our Education Forum convener, Ms. Ramya Srikanth, our Membership Secretary, Mr. Shibu Raghavan, and other esteemed members of SNCS Executive Committee. I extend a heartfelt welcome to our dear Class 10 and 12 graduates and the proud parents. This is your day. I use this opportunity to welcome all our guests, family members, and well-wishers gathered here. Today, your presence matters us more special. Welcome once again. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mrs. Anupama Prashant. Next, I invite our esteemed chairman, Mr. D. Krishnakumar, to deliver the presidential address.
Good evening. With a heart full of joy and immense pride, I stand before you today to address the esteemed gathering. Respected our Secretary, Mr. Srikanth MS, let me begin extending a special welcome to our distinguished Chief Guest, Mrs. Vandana Sadish, Principal of Noor Science School. Madam, your presence here today is a true source of inspiration and validation of our students' hard work, and we are deeply grateful. To all the respected members of SNCS Executive Committees, the dedicated members of our education forums, our esteemed teachers, supportive parents, and most importantly, our shining stars, the students of SLC and Plus 2s. A very warm welcome to this momentous occasion. The SNCS stands as a testament to the profound vision of Sri Narayana Guru, a beacon of wisdom and reform. Guru family believed that education is the very key to human emancipation. He famously declared, "Educate to be free." His teaching is constantly emphasized that true knowledge is the most potent tools from individual and social progress. For him, education was not just about acquiring facts, but about fostering self-realization, critical things, and the universal brotherhood embodied in this entered truth: one caste, one region, one God for men. Today we are not just celebrating academic source, we are celebrating resilience, dedication, and the reliance, pursuit of excellence, qualities that align perfectly with the self-improvement Guru evoked. Each mark on your report card, dear students, represents countless hours of hard work. The facilitation ceremony is SNCS handful away from acknowledge your magnificent achievements in the recent board examinations. You have not only made yourself proud, but have also brought immense honor to your families and to our entire SNCS community. Our success stories will undoubtedly serve as a guide light for your juniors, proving that with consistent effort and unwavering focus, anything is possible. The parents and dedicated teachers, your unwavering support, encouragement, guidance, and sacrificing and being a bedrock of your children's success. The achievement is the as much as as it is there. Dear student, ask the steps into the next phase of your lives. Remember that education is a continuous journey. The excellent results are the fantastic beginning. So solid foundation, continue to learn, to grow, to adapt, and to contribute possibility society, always upholding the value of compassion and knowledge that Guru instilled. The world waits your talent and your unique contributions. Once again, congratulations to all our successful students. May your future be as bright and promising as your achievements today. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. We will now proceed to the felicitation of our chief guest. I invite all the BOD members and members of the Education Forum to the stage for this honorable moment. I request our chairman, Mr. D. Krishna Kumar, to kindly hand over the memento to the honorable chief guest. Following this, we will have a photo session. I request all the BOD members and the members of the Education Forum to come forward for a group photo. Thank you. Now, I humbly invite our chief guest, Mrs. Vandana Sadish, to address the gathering and share a few inspiring words with our students.
Thank you very much, dear MC. You are doing a great job. Let's appreciate our MC first of all. A very good evening to one and all present over here. First impression is the best impression. The first impression that I got from this community, this is the first time I am interacting with you all. The first impression is the discipline. And the way, yes, you deserve a big round of applause. And the way that you are sitting. I have been into many meetings, even to an extent Toastmasters meeting, we don't discipline ourselves this much. This shows the commitment and dedication of the community and the leaders that are present over here, especially the chairman, sir, Mr. Krishna Kumar, and General Secretary, Mr. Srikanth, and all the other dignitaries. Thank you very much, and it shows your unity. Today, I am honored to attend this event and to tell a few words about, to share a few words with the future stars, future leaders, our pass outs of grade 10 and 12. So, dear grade 10 and 12 pass outs, a big congratulations to you. Have you seen the quote on the flyer? Can any one of you read? Come forward and read. Who can read? I'm a teacher. Okay, so success begins when you step out of the comfort zone. Sir, who designed it? Who designed it? Mr. Suresh. Success begins when you step out of your comfort zone. Excellent, well said. The learning, it has 3 zones. The first one is comfort zone. When we have 3 concentric circles, the first zone is comfort zone. As human beings, we would love to stay in this comfort zone. We don't want to come out of this comfort zone. If we like to cook idli every day, comfort, okay, comfort food and all, we don't want to come out of that, daily idli. The next one, when the students are there in the comfort zone, they tend to have a mental peace. It is not that much stressful. The pros of this is, do we have any pros of this? Cons we have. The cons is we will not learn anything new. The next zone is the challenge zone. Challenge zone is the zone where the learning happens. So, we ourselves as elders and also as the students sitting over here, you always strive to push yourselves from the comfort zone to the, which zone? Challenge zone. In challenge zone, there will be a slight uncomfortableness and irritation, slight it will be. But that is where the learning happens. Okay? So what is the other zone? The last zone. First one is comfort zone. Second one is challenge zone. The third one is panic zone. Panic zone. Okay? Often some parents, they push their children, and some teachers, they push the students to the panic zone. The students, they know how to learn how to do addition and subtraction. Without teaching, they have to do real numbers. How will it be? It's pushing them to panic zone. So that panic zone is not necessary for the students. Students, do you ever felt panic zone at any point of time? I want students to be proactive. I have some handouts. Those who answers will get the handouts. Okay? Tell me, have you ever been pushed to panic zone? Yeah, 1 minute thinking time is required. Immediately when we ask a question, the students should not answer. They should process and then answer. Otherwise, the answers will come from subconscious mind, which are not reliable. So, who is the best student over here? Have you ever been pushed to panic zone? Don't get scared of parents over here. Are you scared? Yeah? Okay. Dear students of 20 years back, have you ever been pushed into panic zone? Yes, answers are there. Yeah? So, how do you feel? The same kind of feeling we don't want for our students. And now, what is the step that we have to take care as the parents of the children of grade 10 and 12? We need to plan for their future. For that, something called profile building is happening in the society nowadays. Do you have an idea what is meant by profile building? CV, resume we make for job applications or for colleges, right? So what all we have there as inputs from the starting of getting a prize in elocution in the school, that is called profile building. Profile building is necessary for all ages, but in particular, we can start profile building as soon as the students finish 10th standard. And 12th standard, you have to keep on building the profile. What all activities are important for building a profile? Of course, the first and foremost is academics, without any doubt. In academics, how to build the profile? It should be, see, for example, profile picture we say. Your profile picture is different than that of the profile picture of the person sitting next to you. You have your own identity. So we have to incorporate our own identities and make our profile unique. For that, when we talk about academics, we should look for different opportunities where we grab in and achieve something in that field. For example, in academics, different competitions, Shastra Pratibha, you must be all aware of, right? When we get an award of Shastra Pratibha, it must go to our profile. Then comes co-curricular activities. What will be there in co-curricular activities? Yeah, sports. Yeah, debates. And then MUN, they attend MUN. So all the extracurricular activities will come under co-curricular activities. So we need to think. And then sports. And what initiatives the student will take. For example, Akshay. Akshay is from my school. Next year he will come over here. Sir. He is in 9th grade. Next year he will be here on the stage receiving an award. Now he is not here, but Akshay is a boy in grade 9. Recently they themselves have come up with a plan of conducting NHS football tournament. They planned from the beginning till the distribution of awards and certificates. They made the certificates on Canva. They ordered trophies and medals from Temu on their own. They initiated, like they had meetings with different groups on how to go about. They need a coach, a referee. So they went to a person who is unknown to them before and they had spoken to him to support the football matches. What's happening over there? As a school, we can say, no, you cannot go. You have to sit in the class and you should not move. So there, the students had taken the initiative. As parents and educationists and the teachers, it is our responsibility. If they come up with any initiative, say yes to it. And go what they will learn. They will learn to connect with the society. Interpersonal skills they will develop, which is very important. For example, if we have good relations with the community and school is over and they will spread here and there all over the world. If Akshay wants help somewhere in UK, he will have a friend over there who will help him. So that's why the next important thing is see for initiatives, look for initiatives. And community service. As we have seen over here, Prasad is being cooked. Even in that activities, the students can participate. Look out for the opportunities. The opportunities should be transformed into the achievements. So with that, I made a handout for the grade 10 students. This is profile building on how to create a profile. First is personal information, career objective. Career objective is important, right? Right now it is almost like whether they have to take science stream or math stream, it is almost decided. So that can be done. Then career plan, skills, soft skills. Communication skills are very crucial. For example, at home, if they are speaking to you, I am giving you a trick on how to develop their communication skills. You need to ask a question and the students need to talk about it for 2 minutes. This is called impromptu speaking. We use 2 minutes, right? Wherein they will table topics, yes. Some Toastmasters are here? Yeah. So, give them the opportunities. Let them search their opportunities. If they come up with their own initiatives, please accept. Okay, dear students, I once again congratulate you and I wish you all the best. These handouts will be handed over to Mr. Krishna Kumar, our chairman. So he will be giving the handouts to the students. Once again, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Back to you.
Thank you, Mrs. Vandana Satish. We now move on to the most important part of today's function, the felicitation of our bright students who have achieved excellent results in their 10th and 12th CBSE examinations. I invite our distinguished guests to kindly present the mementos. Students, please come to the stage along with your parents as your names are called. Ardra Binu, 12th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Ananya Anoop, 12th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Devakrishna Sujit, 12th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Ishika Pradeep, 12th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Siddharth Suresh, 12th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Amrita Bijoy, 10th grade graduate from the New Indian School, Bahrain. Anjana Ponnu, 10th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Adityan SR, 10th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Abhinav Suresh, 10th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain.
Actually, he's not. I used to very much just 1 minute.
Akhilesh Babu, 10th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Karthik Shiji Pramod, 10th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain.
Can I speak? Yeah. I'm proudly his teacher, maths teacher.
Nia Sanesh, 10th grade graduate from the Asian School, Bahrain. Parvana Rajivan, 10th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Shikha Shibu, 10th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Sivananda Sudhi, 10th grade graduate from Ibn al-Haytham Islamic School. Sanai Shonima Jayesh, 10th grade graduate from the Indian School, Bahrain. Sharan Shivaprasad, 10th grade graduate from the Asian School, Bahrain. Parvati Pradeep, 10th grade graduate of the Asian School, Bahrain. All students who have received the mementos are kindly requested to come to the stage once again along with their mementos for a group photo with our chief guest. Next, I invite SNCS General Secretary, Mr. Srikanth MS, to deliver a note of congratulation.
Respected Chairman Sri Krishna Kumar D, our Chief Guest, Mrs. Vandana Satish, other officers, SNCS members. It is an immense pride and joy that I stand before you today to celebrate the significant milestone in the lives of our young achievers, those who have successfully completed their 10th and 12th standard examinations. To our dear students, congratulations. Your hard work and dedication have brought you to this proud moment. Passing these crucial examinations is not just a mark of academic achievement, but a testament to your discipline, commitment, and determination. Let us also take a moment to appreciate the support system behind this achievement. Our devoted teachers who have mentored and guided you, and your parents who stood by with you, love and encouragement. As you move ahead, remember this success not the end, but the beginning of a new chapter. Embrace the challenges ahead with the same passion and never stop learning, growing and striving of excellence. Today our chief guest is Mrs. Vandana Sadish, Principal of New Horizon School. I wish her all the success in her life with the blessings of Guru. Once again, congratulations to each one of you. May your journey ahead filled with more achievements, happiness and fulfillment. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you. Now I invite Membership Secretary Mr. Shibu Raghavan to deliver the felicitation speech.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ബിസിനസിൻ്റെ ആദരണീയനായ ചെയർമാൻ ശ്രീ കൃഷ്ണകുമാർ ഡി, സെക്രട്ടറി ശ്രീ ശ്രീകാന്ത് MS, നമ്മുടെ മുഖ്യ അതിഥി ന്യൂ ഹൊറൈസൺ സ്കൂൾ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ ശ്രീമതി വന്ദന സതീഷ്, എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഫോറം ജോയിൻറ്റ് കൺവീനർ രമ്യ ശ്രീകാന്ത്, ജോയിൻറ്റ് കൺവീനർ അനുപമ പ്രശാന്ത്, പ്രിയ കുട്ടികളെ, SNCS കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങളെ, എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ വിനീതമായ നമസ്കാരം. ആദ്യമേ തന്നെ ഈ ചടങ്ങിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായി സാധിച്ചതിൽ വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ഇന്നിവിടെ വിജയിച്ച 10ലെയും 12ലെയും കുട്ടികളുടെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുകയാണ്. അവരുടെ കഠിനാധ്വാനമാണ് ഈ വിജയം. ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ അവരുടെ അധ്യാപകരെയും പേരൻസിനെയും ഓർക്കുന്നു, അവരെല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകൾ അവർക്ക് നേരുന്നു. ഇന്നിവിടെ മുഖ്യാതിഥി നമുക്ക് ലഭിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ന്യൂ ഹൊറൈസൺ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ ശ്രീമതി വന്ദന ടീച്ചർ. അവർക്ക് എൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേക നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു, എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകൾ അവർക്ക് നേരുന്നു. ടീച്ചറുടെ സാന്നിധ്യം നമുക്കറിയാം ഈ ചടങ്ങിന് വളരെ ശോഭ നൽകുന്നു. കുട്ടികളെ, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ വിജയം ഒരു തുടക്കം മാത്രമാണ്. മുന്നോട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് നാഴികകൾ ഒരുപാട് മുന്നിലുണ്ട്. ഇനി പുതിയ അറിവുകൾ നേടാനും ഉയരങ്ങളിലെത്താൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സാധിക്കട്ടെ. നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വപ്നങ്ങളെ യാഥാർത്ഥ്യമാക്കുക, ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഇനിയും തുടർ വിജയങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപാടുണ്ടാവും. അതിനെല്ലാ ഗുരുദേവൻ്റെ അനുഗ്രഹവും ഉണ്ടാകട്ടെ. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you. For the vote of thanks, I now invite Education Forum Convener Mrs. Ramya Srikanth.
ആരാധ്യനായ ചെയർമാൻ SNCS ചെയർമാൻ കൃഷ്ണകുമാർ ഡി, ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറി ശ്രീകാന്ത് MS, our chief guest ന്യൂ ഹൊറൈസൺ സ്കൂൾ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ മിസ് വന്ദന സതീഷ്, വേദിയിലും സദസ്സിലുമുള്ള മറ്റു വിശിഷ്ട വ്യക്തിത്വങ്ങളെ, പ്രിയ കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങളെ, ഏവർക്കും എൻ്റെ വിനീതമായ നമസ്കാരം. CBSE 10-12 ക്ലാസ്സുകളിൽ ഉന്നത വിജയം കൈവരിച്ച എല്ലാ കുട്ടികൾക്കും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അതിന് അവരെ പ്രാപ്തരാക്കിയ അവരുടെ രക്ഷിതാക്കൾക്കും ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനും എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ കർത്തവ്യത്തിലേക്ക് കടക്കുന്നു. I express our sincere thanks and gratitude to our chief guest, Ms. Vandana Sadish, for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. I believe her inspiring words have provided immense motivation to our students. ഇന്നത്തെ അനുമോദന ചടങ്ങിന് എല്ലാവിധ സപ്പോർട്ടും നൽകിയ SNCS BOD അംഗങ്ങൾ, എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഫോറം മെമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്നിവരോടുള്ള നന്ദിയും ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്ന് ഈ പരിപാടിയിൽ ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്ന് അനുമോദനം ഏറ്റുവാങ്ങിയ എല്ലാ കുട്ടികളോടും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അവരുടെ രക്ഷിതാക്കളോടും ഉള്ള നന്ദിയും ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്നത്തെ അനുമോദന ചടങ്ങിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത എല്ലാ SNCS കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങളോടുള്ള നന്ദിയും ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്നത്തെ പരിപാടിയുടെ അവതാരകയായ കുമാരി തീർത്ഥ ബാബു, ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോഗ്രാഫി കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്ത അജിത്, സൗണ്ട് സിസ്റ്റം മാനേജ് ചെയ്ത ഷൈൻ, ജിനേഷ് എന്നിവരോടുള്ള നന്ദിയും ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you. A heartfelt thanks and sincere gratitude to everyone who patiently participated in today's program. Special thanks to all committee members, teachers, parents, and our dear students who contributed to the success of this event. To escort our chief guest back to the audience, I invite Chairman Mr. Krishna Kumar D, General Secretary Mr. Srikanth, Membership Secretary Mr. Shibu Raghavan, Education Forum Convener Mrs. Ramya Srikanth, and Joint Convener Mrs. Anupama Prashant. Thank you so much. Thank you.